I am like totally in love right now. You guys don't even get it. The fact that I caught the heart coming out of all of that. The fact that I caught him coming up with the thumbs up in that. And I'm going to show it to you here. Oh my goodness. I am like so excited because when it happened, I was like, yeah, but that's what I asked for. That right there was a demonstration. I just said I wanted a demonstration, and the demonstration came, and let me tell you that is a demonstration of love. How do you not see it? Do you see the hearts in this? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's take a little bit more and look at this.